The boy was just kind of lazy, didn't really care about much, and mostly just spent his days wandering around. The father knew his son was wasting his potential, so he decided it was time for a lesson. Not a lecture, but a simple test, all centered around an old family watch.
So the father hands his son this old watch and gives him a pretty straightforward mission. Go to the market and see what people will pay for this. Seems simple enough, right? The son, probably just happy to have an excuse to wander, grabbed the watch and headed out the door.
So the boy gets to the market, starts asking around, and it's a mess. One person offers 500 rupees, the next says 1,000. The prices were all over the map. And what did that prove? Well, it proved that the value of an object is totally subjective. It's just worth whatever someone's willing to pay. The boy went home even more confused than when he started.
The very next day, the father sends him right back out. Same watch, but a totally different and honestly a much weirder question. This time, he wasn't supposed to ask for the price of the watch. He was supposed to ask for the price of the time inside it. I mean, the boy must have been baffled. How in the world do you ask for the price of time?
And yeah, you can probably guess how this went over.